Hey Unity fans, in this tutorial I explain how to use humanoid animations from external assets for the character of my low poly game kit. The character comes with a bunch of animations like idle or attack that have the animation type generic. You can see them here in the preview. In order to use humanoid animations for the character with Unity Mecanim, you have to set the animation type to humanoid and press apply. When you start the game now, the animations are used like before. Perhaps they look a bit different because the generic animations also displayed the scaling of the bones, what is not done for humanoid animations. When I created the animations in Blender, I scaled the bones to simulate breathing, for example. But in general, the animations work pretty nice when you set the type to humanoid. Okay, also make sure that for animations like death or pickup, that the root transform is set to bake into pose, especially for the Y position, which means that the Y component of the motion will stay on the body transform or pose. Alright, now with the humanoid animation type set, we can use external assets like the free RPG character animation pack from Explosive. The link is added to the description below. Just import it into the project. You can see we have attack, idle, run animations and many more that we can just use out of the box for our character. After importing the asset, the only thing you have to do is to open the animator controller of our character and use the asset's animation for the states. Let's try the idle animation for instance. I set the speed to 1 again to use the original speed, and then I search for an idle animation in the folder of the asset that I imported. Here it is, looks nice in the preview, and then I just drag it into the motion slot. Then I start the game and this looks interesting, a bit more aggressive than the idle animation that I used before, but that's fine. What I also want to do is to replace the run animation. To find it, you can also press this little icon right to the motion slot and then search for run and select the animation. And again I start and move the character. And this looks cool, the body is a bit bent forward, the arms are angled when he runs. Great! And the other animations are displayed as before. Alright, that's it again. In the next video I'll show you how to use a different character in the low poly game kit, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. The link to the assets that I used in this video can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, thanks for your support if you want to support me on my Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one.